Hello and welcome to my unboxing video of the Hoday TENS unit. You'll have to forgive the extra noise, that's my 3-year-old. This unit has AB dual channels, 24 modes and 20 levels of intensity. Also has a 20-minute default timer that can be adjusted from 10 to 60 minutes, and a rechargeable lithium battery. The unit itself has a nice large digital display and came packaged very nicely. And of course it has the user manual, which explains all of the modes in detail. Next, there is a warning to activate your warranty within 14 days. Then it has a recommended electrode placement to alleviate pain such as wrist pain, sciatica, knee pain, and the how to use 4-in-1 electrode wire on the back of it. Came with a nice large carrying case, which everything fits nicely inside. And this particular device came with 4 large electrode pads, 6 medium electrode pads, and 2 small electrode pads, excuse me. And now we're down to the cords. This is the charging cord. My unit came 2/3 of the way already charged, so I have not used this particular cord yet. And then there's the electric wires to attach the pads. 2 of them have 2 connections and 1 of them has 4. There's also this nice card where you can place the used pads to keep them, the sticky side, protected when they're not in use. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video going over the new Hoday TENS unit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this. I'm going to be having a bunch more videos coming up very soon, some haul videos, etc. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.